Welcome to Dawn of Cooking, and in this week's video I'm going to show you a childhood recipe that I've had, and it's actually called Swedish cookies. And I have a funny little story to tell because I was adopted and I was always told I was Swedish, and then just a couple years ago I had my DNA results done and I found out I was Irish. So as a child I thought being Swedish was really awesome, and so I have this recipe for Swedish cookies, and I'm going to share it with you today. But it's a very basic sugar cookie recipe that we can make in endless ways for Christmas. So come along with me in this video and let's get started. So what is really cool is that you can divide the dough on this recipe up and use it so many different ways. I'd like to flavor some of it peppermint or almond or just vanilla. So as we go on in this video, you'll see the different ways that we can do this. So on this cookie, I'm going to be showing you how to do a candy cane. Very easy. Just roll them both out. I flavored these with peppermint. Now this one I have green and red, and I'm going to do like a little wreath. So again, you make the rope. On this one, we're going to make a pinwheel. So I've made little logs. These are just mini logs, so when you make them, they may be a lot bigger. You can freeze them or just keep them in the refrigerator till you're ready to bake. And in this one here, I put mini chocolate chips, pretzels, peppermint, and white chocolate. And one more version is I colored it green, flavored it with peppermint, and added mini chocolate chips. And on this one, I flavored it with white chocolate chips and peppermint. Another way to do it is you flavor it with almond extract and then slivered almonds. And one more, this is a really pretty one when you go to slice it, and it's the maraschino cherries, and I took them out, kind of drained them a little bit because they are pretty juicy, and mini chocolate chips. So you can flavor the dough with either almond extract or vanilla. Thanks for coming along with me in this week's video, making all these holiday cookies with one recipe. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking!